Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, let's take a look at the following structural formula: CH3, CH2, C, CH3, and coming off of that central C, we have CH2, 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 and CH3, and down below, the exact same thing: CH2, 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 CH3, and we can see your given answer, which is CH3, C. I'll make that more obviously a C, C. Then you have in parentheses, another parentheses, CH2 with a 3, followed by CH3, parentheses, followed by a 3. Now, there is an issue with your answer that was detected by the system. For one thing, let me draw in red. This C should be this C, the thing that our first chain is branching off of. You'll notice there is a CH3 and then a CH2, whereas you just have a CH3, right? So to start with, we should say that we have CH3, CH2, and then let's put our red C that things are branching off of. Then your idea, which was a good one, was to put parentheses, right? And what it looks like you did is wanted to represent this chain, right, of CH2s. Looks like you represented them here, right? But note that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 CH2s, right? So what you should have is CH2, 4 before you get to your CH3 here at the end, which, I don't know, let me put in blue, right? That's CH3, CH3, right? The pattern there is 4 CH2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by a CH3. And we're going to put a subscript 2 down below to denote the fact that we have 1 up above and 1 down below. Okay, so now we have our initial string represented: CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. We have our red C that things are branching off of. We've got our 4 CH2s followed by a CH3, and we're saying there's 2 of them, right? And we put them in parentheses because they're branching off and or repeated. The inner CH2s are repeated. There's 4 of them. That's why they're in parentheses there. Okay, and then finally, the only thing we have yet to list is this final CH3 at the end, right? So this should be the grand finale answer of the most condensed formula. Most condensed because any of the branching has been handled with parentheses, any of the repetition has been handled with parentheses, and we have the correct number of hydrogens and carbons in our formula as well. So to write that all out in the same color: CH3, CH2, C, open parenthesis, CH2, 4 of them, CH3, 2 of those branches, and ending in CH3. So you were very close. You just missed a CH2 there, and a single CH2 there should be a 4 instead of a 3, and then you missed the CH3 at the end, right? So your errors were there, and at the end. But otherwise, very close.